Everyone sees me doing Russian dance, the Russian dance in town, okay? It's like my party move, right? You can see I'm going to do it already, aren't I? Right, I'm going to tell you how to do the Russian dance, okay? So what you do is, you like this. It's hard to do at first, and you're slow, you see. But as you get into it, you can just do it like this. You see? You can move. Quite tiring, but you can do your arms like this. It's up to you. Okay? And that's the Russian dance. That's what it looks like, pretty much anyway. It's just a laugh I do in town, yeah? So I'm out of breath now, right? So how you do it, kick your leg out, okay? Then you're back, kick your leg out, but see where this heel is, okay? This heel's here. And that gives me the bounce, okay? Do you see? Gives me the bounce to kick the other leg out. You see where it goes? That from this side, that's it. On there, you see? Bounce in here on the heel. Okay? My heel again. Heel. 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 Quite a lot of effort. Well, that's the trick. You get your bounce from there. This is what I'm not saying this might not be the proper way to do it, this is how I do it. It is tiring to do, but that's how you do it. Okay, so I fell over there and lost my balance. It's hard to do, slow, but when you get into it, and the hardest thing people find is the balance, you know. But you can balance, you just gotta feel comfortable at this position. Okay? So, split second jump. Well, there you got your balance, do you see? You got your balance. You got your balance. See, it's only, you have to just do it to keep your balance. If all you have to remember is, that's where your balance comes from. It's like that. That's where your balance comes from. See, I can keep it going when I'm doing it fast. But, try and do it like slow. It takes ages to balance. And that's how to do Russian dance. So, as I said, you're down, you're out, you bounce. As you bounce up, you land the other side. And this side again. Okay. That's it, kicking out, you're landing, there, kicking out, landing, bouncing up. And as you bounce, just do a scissor kick thing. Like that. And that's how to do the Russian dance I do in town. I'm sorry. It's pretty strenuous. The only thing I found when I get home from town, to be honest, I've done this before. In town, I've done it in like 3 pubs. People keep do Russian dance, do Russian dance. I had a few beers and that. And I've walked out of pub, like limping. See it? I couldn't walk properly. So don't overdo it, okay? It's a party trick. I just do it for a laugh. But I like the move, it's a b-boy move. It's also done in locking and obviously Russia. Okay, the only thing it does, it will hurt your shins after a while. That's what I find. It's the same kind of feeling. I've been really stomping all night. I've been stomping, tugging on spar. Like my calf muscle there, bottom hamstring pulls. But Russian dance, you might notice your shin bone hurting because you're coming out, snapping there, it's there. Okay. See, it's when you do it slow. Do it fast, you can balance for as long as you want. See what I mean? If you do it slow, it's hard to balance. That's the end of the Russian dance.